Hi everybody, it's Jessica the Dollhouse Curator and welcome back to another Mayham video. So effective today, May 20th, we have marked another 2 projects off of our Mayham list. Our first one is sewing crafts. So you know I bought some crazy fabric from the Dollar Tree in hopes to turn it into some really nice stuff for my cans. So we started with this 2 bird pattern that we turned into pants and a jacket for a tall Ken doll body. So this pattern actually worked really good and I really enjoyed how I was able to put it together and highlight it. Our next fabric was all about foliage and jungle cats, and I think this outfit turned out really well. We are modeling this on a buff can, and yes, it was a challenge to ensure that I had the pattern in a good place where it could be highlighted and not too muted, but still not take over the whole outfit, and I think this turned out really good. And our final fabric was beehives and bees, and it really had a lot of bold coloring to it. So I think this one turned out just as well with the pants and the jacket. So each one of these outfits were made from that bold pattern, those bold fabrics that I got from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to do pants and jackets, and I did all of these on my sewing machine, so there is no hot glue in any of these outfits, and I really wanted to put together something bold and dynamic for my god dolls. So we have everything from our tall, our buff, and our regular, and these outfits will fit all 3 body types. I am very proud of myself and my new sewing machine that I have nicknamed Marjorie. Our next project was creating some new wall art for the dollhouse. So we started out with using some doll packaging to create just a nice basic little piece using some Wicked theming. Then I used some packaging that I had around the house and an item that I got from the Dollar Tree to create a little something extra. I bought a new book at Barnes & Noble's and I made a copy of the cover, and I was able to make not 1, not 2, not 3, but a total of 4 different pictures from that beautiful book cover. I also used some wooden skewers to make the frame look like bamboo, and I put some glossy Mod Podge over the front so that it actually looked like it was truly painted. I think these wall art pieces are going to go great in the Rainbow High house, and that is the next big project we are hoping to finish from our Mayham list. But it was really nice to get to work on these and to get these finished, and I really like how they came out from the very basic to the more extravagant, and I love the idea of using the Mod Podge to make it look actually like it was truly painted. So being able to mark both of these projects off of my Mayham list really made me happy, especially since knowing that we have 11 days left in our Mayham challenge. I think these turned out great. I'm really excited about getting these complete, and we will be back another day with another Mayham video. Bye y'all.